I see that you have been with Amasty for many years, since 2020. So what were the key reasons you initially chose our extensions for Magenta Store?
I think it was just word of mouth. There were a lot of people that we worked with that recommended to use Amnesty back in the day.
Mm-hmm.
So we chose to use your platform.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, that's why we have so many modules with you guys too.
Oh, great. Thank you very much for feedback. Great to hear. After checking your account details and all your extensions, I saw that you have been using Amnesty special promotions and product label solutions. So maybe you can tell a few words, how do these extensions help you driving customer engagement or increasing sales on your site?
Um, for the module we have, it's been good because it makes it easier for the customers to navigate or find what they really need. Like, for example, the product finder that we have.
Mhm.
So we sell it's like roof rails for cars. So
Mhm.
by using the parts finder, it's easy for us to create bundles from specific cars that the customer chooses. So it's easier and it's a better customer experience for them. So they don't need to try to figure out what fits for my car or not. When they just choose the cars that we have created in the parts finder, they can click search. Everything that comes up is for their car, and they don't need to think and worry about anything more. So it makes it easier for the customers
Mhm.
um,
Yeah.
to navigate and use the website.
Yes, and these promotions also, I guess, help you to create any promo conditions for your website, for your.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I saw one more interesting extensions, one complex solution. I mean, import and export premium that includes all our import and export solutions out of the box. So how are import and export tools improving your operations efficiency? Maybe they able to replace any of your manual tasks.
For my personal use, I use it to analyze and also sometimes to troubleshoot, actually,
Mhm.
because we have had a lot of issues with duplicate products or duplicate SKU or something like that. And then the import export module is a very good tool to find everything that I need and remove them in very simple, yeah, export and import. And it's very good tool to analyze the different things, sales and it's also a very good tool to just to update all the products and
Mhm.
customer data or product data. Yeah.
Oh, great. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. If we taking into account all extensions that you have been using, are there any specific results or improvements you have seen after implementing Amnesty extensions, whether maybe in user experience, in analytics, or performance? Maybe you can share any specific examples.
I don't think I have any specific examples as per now. Um, so I'm not 100% sure what you mean about that question. Is it? Could you
Maybe
say
you
like?
Yeah, we cannot speak about any particular examples. Maybe you can share some how your website starts work better in particular spheres. Maybe you have any tools that improve your analytics or your that you have, or maybe performance that you have. Maybe after implementing particular extension, you had any increases or maybe any changes that you can share.
Well, I don't have any access to the analytics at the moment because it's not my department, so I don't do it. But we saw. So, are you thinking about a specific module we use from Amnesty that have um, kind of done something good for the website and maybe
Mhm.
got better
Yes.
traffic and stuff? All right, okay. Well, the improvement with Elasticsearch recently, the
Mhm.
new update, have significantly created a better search for. So we use this Amasty Elasticsearch 8,
Mhm.
and that has been very good, and especially with the AI function that we have there now.
Mhm.
And the lane navigation has also been a very good tool. Unfortunately, it's not working so very good with Hiva at the moment. I have an open ticket, by the way,
Mhm.
waiting for an answer for. But lane navigation and Elasticsearch have recently become very good and very stable.
Mhm.
Um, and we can see the traffic is getting better, and we can see they are using lane navigation
Mhm.
effectively much more before. So my colleague that is responsible for Google Analytics is seeing that by the just by January, February is the lane navigation has been used double from last year,
Mhm.
and that means that lane navigation is working as it should, and it's a very good tool for the customer to navigate.
Thanks. I really appreciate your comprehensive information about these particular extensions. It's very useful information for both for our product team and both for our customers. So you have mentioned ticket, as I remember. After checking your account, I saw that you have quite a lot of number of tickets. So with so many extensions installed, have you found managing them straightforward with our team support teams help?
Yeah, so I do appreciate I do not have any like VIP subscription with you guys, but even though I have the lowest subscription, you still answer me within a day or two, and usually we get every issue resolved within a reasonable time. Uh, so yeah, I think the support team at Amnesty has been quite professional, and they have been very helpful when I needed to.
Thanks. I'll pass these words to our support team. I guess they'll be very happy with your feedback.
Yeah.
Um, out of all Amasty extensions you have used, do you have any favorite one and why?
Favorite one must be the product Pathfinder because it
Hmm.
just makes our day so much better
Hmm.
because of the extension we use it. Elasticsearch is probably one of them. It's
Hmm.
getting just things just getting better and better. Um, what else? We have so many modules with you guys, so it's quite hard to. The blog module, that is a very good module for us because we create a lot of blog posts with how to do and what like telling, because in Norway is very Norwegians are very like, you need to tell me what I need.
Hmm.
So we use the blog post to tell customers that this ski box is perfect for Tesla or something like that,
Hmm.
and then we can see, because we're making a blog post about that, that ski box just rises in sale because we're just doing that. So the blog module is very good.
Perfect. And maybe you can demonstrate one Amnesty extensions currently live on your website. Just a quick look at the features or functionalities you find the most useful. You can share your screen and just show uh, features you like the most on your
Yeah,
website.
can you see my screen?
Yeah, I see a screen.
Yeah, so here's the parts finder. Let me just
Mm-hmm.
see if I can. So you can choose the car here, for example,
Mm-hmm.
um, and then just click search,
Mm-hmm.
and all of these roof rails are then fitting to this car. So this makes it easier for the customer to buy a complete um, like ski rails for their, or like roof rails for their car, because it is created like a group product.
Mm-hmm.
So that is very good. And when I'm talking about, so
Storage.
so we can write Tesla. Let's see
Mm-hmm.
if I can translate it in English. Yeah. So when you write Tesla, we get the blog here, for example, and
Mm-hmm.
then it will tell you in our blog post everything we need to know. The customer needs to know about Tesla and why you need to use these. So these are a very good feature. Yeah.
Thank you very much for showing the examples. I guess it will be very helpful for our other customers. They can check your experience and these extensions as well.